Welcome to my channel, Speedline Auto, where luxury meets performance and every ride tells a story. Today, we're diving into one of the most opulent and jaw-dropping vehicles Lexus has ever built, the 2026 Lexus LM, a $150,000 luxury minivan so refined, it might just make you rethink what a family vehicle can be. Buckle up, because this isn't your average people mover. It's a rolling 5-star suite on wheels. Let's start with the design. Bold, elegant, and unmistakably Lexus. The front end is dominated by that massive signature spindle grille, now even more sculpted and commanding, framed by ultra-slim LED headlights that give it a sharp, futuristic stare. The body flows smoothly from front to back, with sleek chrome accents outlining every curve. And when you see it in person, the sheer presence of this minivan makes SUVs look ordinary. It's not trying to blend in, it's here to make a statement. Asterisk, the dashboard continues the same level of sophistication. With a floating 14-inch touchscreen, digital cockpit, and a minimalist layout wrapped in fine materials like wood, aluminum, and stitched leather. Everything feels crafted, not just built. Asterisk, but it's the interior where the LM truly becomes something extraordinary. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a private lounge than a vehicle. The rear seats are the star of the show, fully reclining, massaging, and wrapped in the finest semi-aniline leather. Each seat comes with individual climate control, touchscreens, and ambient lighting, creating a personalized, first-class experience. Between the seats sits a massive 48-inch widescreen display, perfect for entertainment, video calls, or even presentations on the go. The partition glass between the driver and rear cabin can turn from clear to opaque with a touch, ensuring complete privacy. Add in the Mark Levinson 3D surround sound system, and suddenly you're not just traveling, you're indulging. Asterisk, under the hood, the 2026 Lexus LM continues its philosophy of quiet power. It comes with a 2.4-liter turbo hybrid engine, tuned for a balance between smooth performance and efficiency. This setup delivers a seamless, whisper-quiet drive, perfect for executives who want their comfort uninterrupted. And thanks to Lexus' advanced suspension system, the LM glides over the road with jet-like smoothness, isolating passengers from every bump and vibration. Asterisk, safety and tech are, of course, top tier. The LM is equipped with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, offering adaptive cruise, lane tracing, pre-collision detection, and even a driver monitoring system. Lexus doesn't just build luxury, it builds peace of mind. Now, let's talk price, around $150,000, depending on configuration. Sure, that's a serious number. But when you sit inside and experience this level of craftsmanship, comfort, and serenity, it starts to make sense. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience designed for those who value time, comfort, and exclusivity over everything else. So, if you've ever dreamed of owning something that combines the quiet of a limousine, the space of an SUV, and the precision of a Lexus, the 2026 LM is exactly that. Once you step inside, even your luxury SUV might start feeling a little outdated. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more luxury car insights and in-depth reviews. This is Speedline Auto, and I'll see you in the next ride where innovation meets inspiration.